Here at the Spiegel Center, we're all about helping you to be the best you can be. That means looking good, sounding good, and feeling good. But sounding good includes sleeping good. If you're snoring and creating noises that bother you, make you self-conscious, or wake up your bed partner, we have options. Snoring tends to come from vibration of the top of your mouth. We can stiffen the top of the mouth through a simple in-office procedure and significantly reduce the snoring sounds. You'll be more confident during the day and at night.